Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Juby May from the Acre and a Half Homestead. These two goats is one is female and one is male, and our female goat called Venus and the other one, or the male goat, is called Gandalf. And Venus was impregnated last 29th September 2022. And in the next clip, you will see that Venus is pregnant. And we are all excited, and I think she's going to give birth this end of February or first week of March. Hello guys, I'll give you an update of our goats. Two of our goats are pregnant. This Alpina, the brown one, she's pregnant. And also this black one, her name is Venus. She's also pregnant. And then we are observing this small goat. She has a big tummy this week, but because she's very small, as you can tell, so my husband and I, we we don't believe if she's pregnant. But as you can tell, that day by day her tummy is getting bigger. And look at this, that is Venus. And look at her other, and they are getting big. Yes, they are getting big. Very good, Haley. They said that we have to touch sometimes, so she's used to before we milk her. Yes guys, because that is a milking goat.